Excellencies, the host governor, Governor of Imo State, Your Excellencies, the Governor of Anambra State, Governor of the Governor of Abia State, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, all the DIG representing Southeast, who is representing the acting IGP, the GOCs, the commissioners of police of 5 cities, the SDS of Enugu State representing the DGSSS, the Air Vice Marshal, my dear brothers and sisters, Secretary of Forces SG of Enugu State, President of Ohanese. Mr. President, please can you come? The Chief Judge of Imo State, the Secretary General of Ohanese Worldwide. Please can you accommodate the President General? This is a communique issued by Southeast governors and heads of security agencies at the end of the first Southeast Security Summit held in Sunday, today, 11th of April 2021. After exhaustive discussions on the current security challenges in Southeast, and with valuable contributions from participants at the first Southeast Security Summit in 2021 today, it was resolved as follows. 1. To strongly and unequivocally condemn terrorism and banditry in any part of Nigeria, particularly in Southeast. The meeting strongly condemns the burning of police stations, violent attacks on custodial centers with the unlawful release of inmates, and the killings including security personnel, natives, farmers, and herdsmen. That the 5 Southeast governors states are on the same page with the federal government on the issue of security challenges in the country. To this end, the meeting makes it absolutely clear that Southeast will stand resolutely with the federal government to fight terrorists and bandits to a standstill. 3. That the political leadership in Southeast has resolved to bring together all the arsenals at their command as one united zone to fight and flush out criminals and terrorists from the zone. 4. That the summit resolved that to achieve this, there is a need to galvanize all the relevant stakeholders in the Southeast, the political class, the business class, the bureaucrats, and the intelligentsia to provide all necessary support to security operatives in the 5 Southeast states to ensure total success in the fight against criminality in the zone. That the heads of all the security agencies in the Southeast have resolved to exchange intelligence in a seamless, effective new order that will help to checkmate crime in the zone. That to fast-track crime boosting in the Southeast, the heads of security agencies have been mandated to draw up a comprehensive list of their logistics and material needs for sustainable success in the fight against criminality for immediate provision by the leadership of the Southeast and federal government. That a committee made up of security personnel, government officials, and relevant stakeholders be set up to coordinate and monitor the implementation of Southeast Joint Security Platform. We applaud the initiative of Southeast Security Summit, and to make it a statutory summit that we convene every quarter while its hosting shall rotate among the 5 Southeast states. The meeting resolved to maintain a joint security vigilante, which already has been formed in the 5 Southeast states for the Southeast, and the joint security outfit to coordinate the activities of our vigilante in the 5 South states shall from today be known and called EbubeAgu, Joint Security Outfit for Southeast. The meeting condemns very highly the killings in all Southeast in the recent time, and they asks the federal government and security agencies to bring justice to the victims by way of bringing all the murderers to face the law. The meeting appreciated the formation of Southeast Joint Security Outfits, who named EbubeAgu, whose headquarters is in Enugu, to coordinate our vigilante in Southeast. Southeast governor requested the acting IGP to stop the influx of IGP monitoring units into Southeast, but to allow the CPs and the CPs of our state and zonal commands to handle their cases and be the one to refer to the headquarters of Abuja when the need arises. Meeting approved that the acting IGP and other security chiefs do invite the leadership of Ades Ndibo and the CAN leadership to find out the reasons for increasing insecurity in the Southeast of late. Meeting agreed that military policing in the Southeast should be adequately funded and should become very effective. Meeting agreed that open grazing has been banned in Southeast for a long time now, but requested that security agencies should do everything to implement it. The meeting encouraged a peaceful coexistence of farmers and herders and to allow governors to mediate where crises arise between farmers and herders in Southeast. We have very highly in checkmating criminalities who hide under these herders or farmers or natives. That's the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you very much.
Look at this man.
Ah, la 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 la.